Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you easily and legally how to install as well as download Microsoft Office 2024. This video is 100% legal as well as which do not involve any illegal activity. So don't worry about this method. It is very legal. So without delay, let's start the video. First, we need to just go to the search menu and we should type control panel, then click on the control panel. As you see here, here in program, you should click on the program. After you click on the program, then find your Microsoft Office. So you should uninstall the old version or expired or any Microsoft Office you are struggling with activation, so uninstall like this. After you have done this, so we are ready to set the new Office 2024. After this, then we are required to go to the any browser, either on the Chrome or other browser. So type on the search menu config.office.com. Then hit enter. So you should see this web page. This is official of the Microsoft configuration generator. So scroll down and just click on the create. After you click on the create, you'll see this page. Then you need to choose the correct architecture, either 32 or 64 based on your system. So after selecting, then here under Office Suites, you should select the Office Suites product. Then we should select Office LTS Professional Plus 2024 volume license. After selecting this, we will scroll down until we get apps. Then after, as you see here below, there is apps. So as you see, you should turn off the access while turning on the others like the PowerPoint, the Words, as well as the Excel. But you should turn it off. The OneDrive desktop, we will turn it off. Then as you see here, we will just click on the language. So you should select the right language which suits for you. But for now, I'm going to select English United States. So you can choose whatever you want. Then go to the right side of the screen, export, click on the export. After clicking on export, you should mark on this Office Open XML, then click OK. Okay, as you see here, you should mark on this, then export, click on export. Perfect. So we have got the XML file that tells Office how to install on your computer or PC. Our next step will be to get a new tool that makes all things to happen. So create a new tab here, a new tab. So after creating a new tab, search Office Deployment Tool, then hit enter. Then here you should click on the link of the office.com. After clicking on the link, you'll see this page. So here you should download setup file. So click on download. Very nice. Then you'll see this. Click on start download. Then click on close. After you have done the download, then go to your downloads folder. Then you will find two things. As you see here, the configuration file, as well as as you see here, the Office Deployment Tool installer. So double click on the tool. Here accept the license and the terms. Then continue, click on the continue. Then the prompt folder will pop up. Then here click on the browse, then click on the downloads. Then after, we'll create a new folder which is called Office 2025. So click here, create a new folder. Then we'll rename like Office 2025. Then you should click on the folder, double click on the folder, then hit OK. So this is a folder that the magic will happen. So click on OK, then head over the downloads file, then here take the configuration.xml file you created earlier and just copy and paste on the newly created Office 2025. Here we'll paste the file, click on the paste. Next we will delete the default configuration file as you see here, which starts with configuration Office 365 to XML, because we won't need that. Okay, now we will just copy the face of Office 2025. Here click on this, then copy the face address. Just click on the copy address. So we need that on the command prompt. So then we will go to the search menu, then type CMD, then run the CMD prompt as administrator. Just click run as administrator. Then the command prompt will pop up, so you should be careful while writing the command. So first type cd space, then paste the folder face. You can use Ctrl+V to paste the folder face, then press enter. Okay, after this you need to carefully write the following command to start installation. So type setup.exe/configuration.xml, then press enter. Don't worry, I will leave the command on the comment section, so you will copy and paste. So as you see here, the installation of Microsoft Office 2024 already started, so directly from Microsoft server with your own custom settings. And this process may take a few minutes, so wait until it finish. Okay, already finished, so click on here. Then we will go to Microsoft Word or Excel. We'll just directly will check whether it's working or not. So here on the search menu, write Word, then open the Word. This is very nice. So as you see, it's already installed. So let's just click on the accept. Click on the accept. Very nice. So Office 2024 fully installed on this device. This is very exciting, so you can do like this. If you like this video, please like as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issue, please let me know on the comment section. I will help you to fix if you have any problem or issue with installation process. Thank you very much. See you next time.